Hello everybody, it's Dr. Matt Ed, and today we'll look at point-of-care ultrasound normal parasternal short axis view. This is a video of a normal short axis view with a normal EF. Here you have the LV, this is the RV. You see a red dot in the middle, and as the heart is contracting, you see all the walls around the circle are coming in towards the midpoint, and that's when you know its cardiac function is normal. These two things in the middle that's going up and down are the mitral valves. And these things right here are the papillary muscles. So when you're assessing parasternal short axis and you want to assess the LV function, you want to make sure the view shows these two papillary muscles. If you thought this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and look out for my next video. Thank you.